So here's the lava fields. Well, one of many fields. It's very long, actually. I'd say it's over 50 kilometers of lava. I believe it happened in like 1860 or 50s. Volcano erupted around here, wiped out a native village. Everyone died. There's a memorial over there for that. Yeah, let's go check some of this out. Ooh, that's all cracked, eh? Oh yeah, that goes way down. You gotta be careful so you don't drop down, and you can easily break a leg in here. Yeah, it is very, very rugged. Pretty cool though. This goes on for miles. So, are you gonna keep some of these rocks you found?
Yeah.
Look at those lava rocks, eh?
I know.
It's a really interesting smell out here. It reminds me of being in Central Oregon, because there's a lot of lava down in Bend area. Almost gives me that kind of vibe here. Pretty interesting. Gonna have to apologize for the wind. It's extremely windy in this valley right now. There's a storm coming through, but you can see the nice mountains. So Alaska is just right over there, and it's not far. I'd say maybe less than 50 kilometers. So yeah, we're quite north right now. When I say Alaska, I mean the panhandle and the bottom of the panhandle. Not like Anchorage or anything like that. Yeah, there's cool little trails all throughout here. Come hiking in here. And be careful though, there's a lot of bears. Saw a bear on the way in, so should be careful when you come out. We found this the river here and a cool suspension bridge. So let's go and check that out. All right, let's go across the bridge, buddy.
First.
I'll go first? Okay, let's go. He doesn't like that it wobbles. Come on, buddy. It's not gonna fall. I know it feels like it's moving because it is. Suspension bridges are tough. You don't have to be that scared. Come on. Maybe he doesn't like the heights. It's pretty high up. Really windy. But the Nass Valley is pretty nice. And there's Seth getting all scared of the height. It's okay.
Are you sure?
Oh, okay, this is the Niska village. Now I know the name. I've never been here before. Pretty nice. We'll walk around and check it out. Here, how was that? Look at that cool entrance. The big two totems there.
Whoa!
Pretty neat, eh?
I know.
Yeah.
That's cool.
There we go. There's the provincial park sign. I guess that little village we were at was called Canyon City. Now it's called Niska something, or I forget. Anyway, nice area. Right, bud?
Yeah.
Go over there by the sign.
Okay.
Need a boost?
No.
It's sure nice out here though.
I know.
It's really windy.
It's amazing with the snowy mountain cap behind you. It's too bad it's covered in some snow.
That'll make a good screenshot.
I know.
Beauty.
Yeah.
You gotta do a panorama, like it kills me. I'm
Yeah.
green.
Let's crawl up here on the top of this
Mama.
little pile of rock. I'll try not to kill myself while doing it. Yeah, you might not want to come up here. It's pretty sketchy. One nice thing about lava rock is it's quite grippy. Yeah, I'm gonna crawl up over there.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
So when you come out to the lava fields, there's a couple of waterfalls you all should check out. This one's Waterfalls. It's a short but nice one.
Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go.
Alright, here's the other waterfall. Oh, this one's taller. Yeah. That's nice. That's kind of like the one at the Kitimat at the smelter.
I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me,
This waterfall is beautiful.
Beautiful waterfall.
I know.
And let the adventures begin, eh?
Yeah.
Now this next part, buddy, is really cool. It's called the Drowned Forest. Yeah. You never heard of that? Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
So here, the river goes right through the forest. It's pretty cool. You can see that it literally just goes right through the forest here. Along the side of the highway, as you drive down, there's actually neater parts where it looks like just all forest, and there's a river and the trees are right in the middle. It's ironic. Yeah, it's deep.